Hello, my dear children. How you doing? I hope all of you are doing great and having a good time at home. I miss you so much. And now, let's find out our new sound of today. Who can tell me what are these two sounds? Yes, they are oh and oh, oh and oh. And do you know when we put them together, we say it as oh or ooh, oh or ooh. And the action of the sound is move head back and forth as if it's in the cocoa clock, and saying oh, ooh, oh, ooh. And now let's see the words that have the sound oh, and tell me if it's short oh or long oh. T, ooh, th, t, ooh, th, tooth, tooth. My tooth is white. My tooth is white. And tooth is long sound. Next. M, ooh, n, m, ooh, n, moon, moon. Can you see the moon in the sky? And moon is long sound too. The next word, f, oo, t, f, oo, t, foot, foot. Ow, my foot is hurting me. Who can tell me foot is short sound or long sound? Yes, great. Foot is short sound. The next, spoon, 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 spoon. I eat my food with my spoon. I eat my food with my spoon. And a spoon is long sound. The next word, ha, ok, ha, ok, hock, hock. I hang my bag on the hook. I hang my bag on the hook. And hook is short sound or long sound? Yes, hook is short sound. The last word, boot, b-oot, b-oot, boot. I have black boots, and boot is long sound. And now, let's look at the picture and tell me the words that have sound oo, and if it's long sound or short sound. What is this? Yes, tooth, tooth. Tooth is short sound or long sound? Yes, great. Tooth is long sound. Moon, moon. Moon is short sound or long sound? Yes, moon is long sound. Great. What is this? Spoon, spoon. Spoon is long sound too. And who can tell me what is this? Hook, hook. Hook is long sound or short sound? Huh? Okay, yes. Hook is short sound. What is this? It's a book. Book. Book is short sound too. The book on the wood. The book on the wood. And wood is short sound too. What is this? Oh, look. Look. And look is short sound too. And now let's move to the next page and let's read them together. What is this word? T, ooth, t, ooth, tooth, tooth, moon, 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 moon. The last word, foot, 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 foot. Yes, copy these words with good handwriting. Finally, read the story with your mom at home. Love you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye.